you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And I've got one today. I've got two today, actually. I've never made them before, and I don't know how they're gonna turn out. Like, what kind of, if they're gonna need a bowl or plate or what. So that's kind of a weird deal. Here is something from Nongshim, USA. It's called ChapaGuri, and there was a movie, I guess, called Parasite that revitalized this once popular combo. So Nongshim makes ChapaGuri, and they also make Noguri, and when you mix those together, you get ChapaGuri. So there you go. And I made this recipe in 2013, and it's funny because the logo is exactly the same logo as I did for my video, but from a design perspective, it's very apt. It just seems like it wants, if you were going to do a logo, you would just like combine the logos of the two already. So yeah. Anyways, here we are, and it comes with 2 sachets that you add both of into the bowl. Here's the black bean sauce sachet, and then here's the spicy seafood sachet. Pretty apt combo, works pretty well. And then you add 280 mils of water, which should bring it right up to the line, and it does. Yeah, that was 280 too. We'll add a little bit more. That seems like that's going to be closer to 300, but whatever. That's close enough. That is good. Good. And then, so this is going to get cooked for 5.5 minutes. So we'll put this in here. 2, 3, 4, 5.5 power level. There we go. And there we go. By the way, check this shirt out. This shirt's pretty, I mean, it's not ancient, but a while back, Psy was really popular. It was all about the Shin Black Cup. So, yeah, I still have that. And when I used to have it, it certainly did not fit. It does now, at least. So. But, yeah, we got 5.5 minutes, and the nice thing is it's in the microwave, so I don't have to set a timer. Oh, nothing. So anyways, let's do our little quote of the day from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. Book of quotes by the guy who invented the instant noodle back in 1958. I believe yesterday's was 227. Not taking action, even when the root of the problem is clear, is nothing, if not existence, or if not evidence of corporate malaise. And then number 228, data can be fresh or stale. You don't want stale data. You just don't want it. I hate stale data. If I like recorded a show that was like about news or things like that, and I recorded it yesterday, and it was about news from yesterday, but I had the chance to watch it, I probably wouldn't because I can't handle it. It's old, it's stale. I need fresh data. And for you, this data is not fresh. I'm doing this episode on March 24th, 2021. And this will get posted, late May. Yeah. And so what's going on? Today I've got a podcast interview, actually tonight. That'll be good. I checked out this pod. If you go on Spotify and search for Ramen Hunter, I'll bet you'll be able to see it now in your time frame. But yeah, it's history. That's the weird thing talking to you. I'm talking to the future. And yeah. I'm the past. I have a perspective that's completely different. Who knows what's going to happen? Who knows if you're all not in lockdown? Who knows if... just who knows? Things could look very different from where you're at. I have no clue. I love that. I love that part of this show, because being ahead, you know. But anyways, here in the past, yeah, I'm doing a podcast tonight. Go check it out on Spotify. Look up Ramen Hunter. Did a sound check earlier, and the host, he seems pretty cool. And I listened to his last episode, and they were talking about some crazy Japanese, like in Japan, a ramen joint where on the side there's like a little dish, and it has a syringe in it, and you like shoot up your ramen. Yeah. I guess you gotta do what you gotta do to keep it profitable and interesting for people, but that's fascinating. And what else? I have 1/2 plus 1 slice of pizza in the oven. I'm happy about that. My brother's son Mendel is getting married. What is it? I'm gonna yeah, but I got invited to a Zoom wedding. I've never done that before, so I'm trying to remember what you say in such a... Oh yeah, Mazel Tov. That's what you say. So hey, Mazel Tov. Many happy returns, happiness for always. And what else? Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. So yesterday I completed and posted my guide to the perfect ramen egg, and today I recorded how to make the perfect fried egg, so that should be out, so look for that. It came out good. I already edited the video, now I gotta do the voiceover for it. And people already been commenting on the perfect ramen egg video. They're like, wow, your voice is so mellow, and it's just like, you're so mellow, and dude, you're so mellow. It's because I did the voiceover at like 4:30 in the morning, because I don't want to wake anybody up. So yeah, that's why I'm so mellow. All right, let's see what we got here. Whoa. Here is our ChapaGuri. This smells good. I gotta say, this smells really freaking good. Really good. Let's make it so you can see what I see. Our minds are merging. Our minds are one. I see what you see. I know what you know. Hey, that's too noisy out there. So it's more like you've got like a lot of noodle and a little slight amount of liquid. Definitely less than it started out with, because the ramen's engorged with it. Let me give this a way better stir. It's hot. When you take that little, when you take the label off, ow, crap, it's really hot. This is like molten. It does say on the thing, warning, after 5.5 minutes of cooking, this sucker's gonna be hot. So be careful. I guess that's a good note of caution to heed. I gotta admit, I'm kind of nervous about being on this podcast tonight because these guys are hardcore, man. They go like, yeah, they were talking. He was talking to these guys that it sounds like they literally go to every ramen shop in a specific district of Japan and try every single one. Here I am over here doing instants, but. It's not bad. I'm definitely going to say I'm getting a lot more chapa than guri, but it's good, you know. I'm getting a little bump of heat. It definitely looks more chapa than guri. That's just fine. I mean, yeah, that's pretty good. I really wish I had more guri. Okay, now I know now what I'm gonna use. That's one of those things where it's like I take a couple bites and I'm like, I don't know. And then when I stop, my palate's just like, you know, that's pretty good. You want more of that, don't you? All right, and I think I do. I think indeed I do. Okay, so let's just dump her right in. That should be enough of a valley in that bowl or that plate. Yeah, we're good. Here we go. And this is going to be a real challenge today because the amount of light coming in, I don't know if you can see, but we are in Mordor. This is Mount Doom, where darkness reigns eternal. Yeah. We live in the dark moorlands right now or something. Oh, that was anti-productive. Okay, so I've got beef and I've got, man, that was really anti-productive. Try that. Well, this is gonna need a little bit of touch-up work, I think. But here's some beef. Ah, what a day. Hmm. All right. Time to slice the egg. And big shout out to my wife for making more of these magic eggs last night. She got home really late. And I was like, honey, can you make some more of the eggs? You know, the people love you. I love you. Can you make more of the eggs? That's what I'm talking about. See what I just did? I don't know if you did. So I slice through it, and then I like flip it, and then keep it going. And then it doesn't smear all the way across. All right, and then of course it's one trick pony time. We're gonna go with some sesame seed. There's a nice contrast with that, and then we've got pepper flake. I don't know what that was. Probably pants. You like pants? I like pants. My buddy just got dealing with some kind of Zoom deal where he had to take a thing where you got to do the first section has to do with the rules for this thing he's doing. And basically they talked about dress code for an hour. So you have to wear pants. Just so you know, you have to wear pants. So wear pants. Thank you for watching. This is good stuff. If you see it, definitely pick some up. And so for tomorrow's episode, you're gonna get to see, what's this? It's from China. Hot and spicy mixed noodle shrimp flavor. I'm gonna use beef in it though. Yeah, look at this.